You tired of eating my hand? Is that a cry or a complaint? Well, excuse me. You want to stand up? That's better? Huh? Fix that face. Look at that face. Little chunky chunk. Come on. Come on. What? Ooh. You know you want to smile. What? I don't believe you. Be do to you too. What are we doing tomorrow? Donuts? You can't eat donuts yet. You're going to be eating milk. I'm going to eat donuts, so you're going to get milk. See those people out there? This sucks. I want food. I don't want no more milk. I don't want no more milk. Fade to black.